you make are a direct result of the intentions you take. Hi, my name is Teresa Franco Macaro, and today we're talking about habits. So, what is a habit? A habit is simply a neural pathway that gets ingrained over time so that it happens automatically without even thinking about it. It's part of your DNA. So, why should we care? What's the big deal? Why do we need to worry about habits? Well, think about it. If a habit is something that's ingrained in your DNA and you do it automatically without thinking about it, possibly there are some habits that you want to make and also some habits that you want to break. So, in order to do that, you need to interrupt what we call the habit loop. And one way to do that is through little teeny mini micro steps. And these little mini micro steps, when you do them over time, studies show that it takes at least 28 days to make a habit. When you do them over time and you make them obvious, these little micro steps have the ability to duplicate or replicate so that they become what we call keystone habits. So, for example, who here has ever joined a gym in January and thought, oh my goodness, I am going to go to the gym every single day, right? And then come February or March, what happened to that gym membership? What happened to that habit of going to the gym? It's gone. So what you need to do is set up something to make it really obvious and easy. So maybe when you wake up in the morning, you just go like that to keep yourself reminded that today is the day I go to the gym. So again, remember, the habits you make are a direct result of the intentions you take. Thank you.